Hello, today I am going to show you how to add plugins to Equalizer APO. So let's start the main video. First, open Discord on your PC and go to the plugin. Now download these files. After that, create a folder and name it plugins. Now copy these files from the download folder and paste them here. Now copy plugin folder. Then go to this PC, local disk C, program files, Equalizer APO. Now paste the plugins folder. Now plugins successfully added to Equalizer APO. Adding plugins to Equalizer APO is a great way to expand its audio capabilities and customize your sound experience. By installing compatible VST plugins and loading them through the configuration editor, you can apply advanced audio effects like compression, reverb, and noise reduction. This allows you to fine-tune your system's audio exactly the way you want. Once the plugin is properly added and configured, Equalizer APO will automatically process your audio using those settings, giving you improved sound quality across your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching.